Do you want to add a passcode for your user account? Well, this is how you do it. First, we're going to go to the home page, and then we're going to go to settings on top right there. So go ahead. Oh, it's a little bit stuck right now. We're waiting for it to... We're back. That was a little bit embarrassing. I ran out of batteries. Okay, so anyways, I charged it. I'm charging it right now. We're going up to settings right there. And from settings, you're going to want to go to user and accounts. So once we get here, we're going to go to login settings, and then you'll see this login to PS5 automatically require a PS5 passcode. You could turn this off, and then we'll go ahead and turn this off, and then we'll go to require passcode, and then you just put in your new passcode. So then I'll go left, left, up, up, left, left, up. And that's basically it, guys. So whenever you sign back in, it will require you to put your passcode. Okay, so you can go ahead, restart it and try it out, and it will work. See you next time. Please consider liking, subscribing, commenting. See you. Bye-bye.